Hello everyone, I am Tej here. So in my previous video, as I told you that I want to learn English, and some of my friend suggest me that Tej, if you want to learn English, then you have to work on your English. Then what should your first step is storytelling. So last night I read a story, and I am right now I want to explain that story, that what was the story. So I am trying to explain the story in my own way. So if you find any mistake, so don't be laugh, because I am not familiar with this English language. It's a very new for me. So if you find any mistakes, then please tell me in comment box, so that I can learn something from you. So let's start our story. So once upon a time, there lived a man who had a big garden, and in their garden they planted a lot of trees, so that he can take take fruit from those plant, and he take care all those plant till they bear fruit. So one day he decided to harvest all the fruits, so that he can sell in market, and earn money from that for his family. So he one day he came in the garden, and started plugging fruits, and what he see, one stranger sitting on branch sitting on branch of tree, and he just plugging mango tree. Then the garden when the gardener shout on him, "Hey man, what are you doing on my tree?" He no answered, deliberately no answer. Then for the gardener again shout, "Hey man, why are you climbed up my tree? This is my tree. Whole year I harvest this. Whole year I take care of this tree, and then without my permission, why are you climb up there?" Then stranger replied, "Hey man, this is not your tree. This is God tree, and I am servant of the God. So don't interfere the work of God and His servant." Then stranger think, what they answering me? He is mad or something. Then he plant, and he say, "If you climb down, I will give you more fruits." Then he uh, come down. The stranger come down, and the gardener tied him and started beating. And stranger screamed, and then stranger began screamed, but he ignored and started continue beating. Then he started beating continue beating him, and the stranger say, "Why are you beating me? You don't have a fear of God. You don't have fear of God." Then gardener say, this stick is my hand, and I am eh, the- this stick is my hand, and this is given by God, and I am servant of God. I am doing my work. Why are you disturb me? Don't disturb me. So finally the stranger accept his mistake, and say sorry to that form they say sorry to that gardener, and say, "It's my fault. It's my I apology for that. I should take permission from you for before climbing up this tree. So sorry, it's my mistake." Then the stranger say, "Don't." Then the stranger say, "Don't use God's name to justify your mistake. It is your fault, and why are you trying to justify with why are you trying to justify with taken the name of God? So finally he understand and he say sorry and went there. So friends, what are you learn from this story? Comment me and tell me. So this story I was read yesterday, so I don't know how much I am able to explain this story. So I hope you understand something, not my I somehow I try to explain this in my own word. So I hope you understand. I don't know from where I say it's in a wrong way or right way, but somehow I feel I just explain. Maybe lots of mistake are there in my word. I already know. So मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में और कुछ अच्छा सीखने का प्रयास करते हैं. धन्यवाद.